Get out! Hey! Get out! You and your Michael, get out! I don't want to see you again. Oh yeah! Hey, come and take this girl out of this house. If I see you again, I'll kill you. You and that your Michael. Get out!
You idiot!
Push out!
I will get out! When you were all over my husband, you know, you asked me what.
Get out!
Please, I'm begging you. I will hit you! I will hit you! Out!
You want
my back! Get out!
Get out! Push out of the gate! Out of the gate! Stupid!
Hey? Can you imagine? You want to come and shop where madam is shop? You move.
You don't want to move, baby. Let me go.
Give me my bag! I'll stop. Move out of this place. What my bag? Get out of this place for a second. Get out. Go to my gate. No, do that, eh? No, going to do that, madam and Oga just throw us out like that. It's not making sense now. By this time of the night, look, eh? I'm not deflated our bags. What are we going to do?
I don't even know what to do now. I don't know what to do. I'm even confused.
Me, I'm scared though. Me, I'm scared.
I'm even scared.
Me, I'm scared.
I'm scared.
What this is your fault? Why would you be sleeping with Oga's wife?
What about you? Why did you sleep with your boss? Why did you sleep with your boss?
I don't understand. I don't understand. You that could not keep this sitting in between your two legs one place, Ruko.
Please, this is not time to start shedding blames on anybody. Eh? What should we do?
No, I don't know. You are the man here. Start thinking.
We don't have any money.
Start thinking.
We would have decided to go and lodge, but now we don't have any money. We can't even go back to our village. It's already late.
I'm tired though. I like this one now.
Hey, Jesus. Oh God. Eh? Michael, who sent you? Who sent you? Yeah. Okay, do you know what? See, like this now, we don't have any option. Eh? What? You know what we're going to do? We just find somewhere and just pass the night. Then tomorrow we can start going back to the village.
Sleep here. What are you saying?
Do you have anything to do?
Dark.
I know it's dark, but we don't have any option. I don't have any money. You don't have any money. Do you have any money left with you?
Precious, which kind of wahala is this one? Precious, look at yourself. Look at what you
see, let me finish me. Find you.
Eh?
Just, yeah.
Hey!
I don't even know what to do.
Precious, you are kissing me now.
See, wait.
Really?
Let's shift. Give me. Okay. Just see what? Let me remove my clothes. At least I'm putting on singlet so that.
Eh, don't be on the floor. I'll be the one to use it. I'm your woman. Eh, nah, you're looking at me. Yeah, you sleep first.
Let me see this thing. Hey, oh yeah, wait. Oh yeah, sit down. Sit down, okay, sit down. Oh.
Put your leg down now.
I'll pull it down, yes, with pleasure.
Thank you, oh, driver.
Lady.
You want that name also, eh?
Hey. Chini. Listen, what is this?
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, good afternoon. I'm greeting you now, Mama. Mama.
Is it by force? Agini? What is it?
Mama, I don't understand.
Why will you understand? The only thing you understand is how to start people's husband. Or you think you don't know in this village? Eh? Hey! This girl, you are a disgrace. This girl, you are a disgrace. You are shameless. You went to the city to disgrace yourself and come back. See, I'm controlling myself from playing curses on you. I am controlling myself. Don't provoke me, oh! Don't provoke me.
Mama, what did I do?
You're asking me what you did. You let people wagging on for asking me that. You know how I begged Doris to help me talk to her son to employ you. You went there and started sleeping with Ruby's husband. You're asking me what you did. You did everything. Now they've thrown you out, okay? Or you think the players don't know? We all know. Village to continue from where you stopped. To start mingling with all these village touts so then when they anything to offer you. So I start walking about like Kozona Aqua. No, Ije.
Mama, I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Please, Mama, please forgive me. I'm sorry, Mama.
You are supposed to tell yourself you are sorry. That sorry belongs to you. You came back empty-handed. Naked, as beautiful as you are. If a man sees you now, he will think that you are still a very fine girl with good character, not knowing no Okolom Bekebu. Empty vessel. See, the last thing I will do is to send you out of your father's house. Because you are back, Okuya. You are back. Good and fine. No. But bear it in mind, you will never know peace in this house. You will never know peace in this house. Your mates went to the city, went there and became somebody for themselves, came back to fend for their parents. Your own is you came back empty-handed. You came back empty-handed. No problem. No. Welcome. You will not know peace. Okay? You will never know peace in this house. Nonsense. Nothing. You see how you think you see somebody, but nothing is inside her. It's Akwoibo. No problem. You are back. I'm sorry. Sorry for yourself. Sorry, Mwegide. Take our bogging. Ah!
Mama.
This is where you are. And I've been looking for you around the house.
Oh. I'm sorry. I stepped out to buy sadly. I've been craving for it.
You are lying these days. Eh?
Mama, I've been craving for this lime ever since I got back.
I don't understand you. And this year on and off recovery of fever. I don't understand. Are you sleep up to these days? Or getting a message?
Mama, what does that have to do with the lime now? Ha! I'm only climatizing with the environment. And the weather is also having an effect on me. Don't worry, I'll be fine, yeah?
Precious.
Mama. Mama, give me quack.
What
is it? Mama, leave me now.
Stand up, let's go.
Mama, go to where? Mama, Mama,
I think stand up, Onodan. Kunie! Move.
Mama, I'm not down, Mama. Mama, I'm not pregnant, Mama. I'm not pregnant, I swear. The result is fake, Mama. The result is fake. I'm not pregnant.
You go and look for the father of your child. Imam no walk out in my house. Oh, it was even where I'm
Mama, I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant.
I said move.
Mama,
where do you like?
Mama.
Idiot! You are pregnant, I tell you. If you don't get at my house, stupid girl. No, look on you. Come back here, get what I will do to you. On your
What are you doing here?
I came to tell you that I'm pregnant.
What sort of sick joke is that?
Did I just hear you say you're pregnant? I'm not surprised.
You see what you've caused?
Who is this one?
What moral justification do you have to ask me that nonsense question?
Calm down. Don't worry, we have a lot of time to argue this argument. From today henceforth, I'll be living with you in this house. So you will take care of me and the baby. Oh, now. There'll be room. Just calm down. Let me guess. You didn't get the job. Okay. Look at me now. Poor man, look at me. Look at me. How would you get a job with SSCE certificates? Then when master degree, I feel all of SSCE. Eh? SSCE. Nonsense.
It's not to him that willeth or runneth, but to the heaven that showeth mercy.
Oh, Namo. So you know how to quote the Bible? Hey! What hunger cannot do does not exist. Oh! Since I moved into this house with you, look at it. I've been feeding on orange. Orange! Is this how you want to take care of me and the baby? Eh? Poor man.
I wasn't the one that told you to come and live here.
I wasn't the one that forced you to sow your stupid seed inside of me. Rubbish.
It's okay. I have a very hectic day. I need to go inside and rest.
Is that not what a poor man does? Go inside and rest. Oh yeah, no? Go inside and rest. Hey, okay? Hey, I do my own.
God's love for me supersedes the love of man. God's love for me supersedes the love of man. God, please, in my hard time.
What's the meaning of this? Precious, why are you putting on my shirt?
Is it the kind to put on my husband's shirt?
So you don't see any other shirt you will wear? There's no other shirt you in the house for you to put on. Is this my expensive shirt I used to go for job hunting? Is this how poorly you're trained?
Don't even try it. Someone insult me. Because of this nonsense shirt. Job hunting, what have you gotten? My dear, newsflash, if you like, job hunt from now till next year, 10 years to come. A man want anything. You are made to be poor, nah? So stop yelling at me because of cheap shirts.
I'm even talking, you're even raising your voice on me. You're raising your voice.
What will you do?
Pull off my shirt. I said you should pull off my shirt. You're laughing at me. Pull off my shirt now. Pull off my shirt.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone, because
pull off my shirt. What kind of nonsense is this now?
me.
Come on, stop this.
Come on, take it. Come on, take it. Leave me alone. Come on, take it now. Naked me.
That's what this shirt. Wait, let me pull it off. I'm gonna put it in public. Leave my clothes. Pull out. Don't take this clothes. Don't take it. Wait, let me open it.
Michael, I know that the deed has been done. And what I have come for is to know the way forward.
Which is?
Getting married to my daughter.
God forbid.
God forbid. If you God forbid, God forbid, Mama, I will not marry this kind of a person. He has not been able to fend for himself. Of course, and my unborn child.
Shut up.
Shut up.
What is your problem? Anyway, I don't blame both of you. You have spent so many years in the city that you don't know the customs and traditions of our people. Now, our tradition and custom says that when a woman gives birth without marrying the man that got her pregnant, that she's like candle in the wind. And the man also will suffer unimaginably till his last breath.
I will not suffer.
Mama, those are mere superstition. They are mere superstition, Mama.
Shut up your mouth. Okay, do you remember Adugo, your cousin?
The one that died in a ghastly motor accident.
Good. This is what killed her also. And the man responsible for her pregnancy died like that. He killed himself. Both of you should do the needful. Michael, I'll be waiting to hear from you and your kinsmen about the marriage rights and the dates. And to fix a date. And also ask them if what I have told you today is true or false. I will not suffer. I
will not suffer.
Are you not suffering already?
I will not suffer.
Are you not suffering?
I will not suffer. You are the one who will suffer.
Are you not
You are the one who will suffer. I will not suffer. I will not suffer.
Poor man.
I will not suffer. What come and stay with the poor man?
I blame you.
What come and stay with the poor man?
I blame Atakwarange. Nonsense. Rubbish. Marry-moi.
Ndị be anyị ga-eme n'omenala Precious. Adai. Come now. Mayo. Oh, Mayo. Hey. Yeah. Akoro. Adai, neither. With this wine, go out there and show us the man that you tend to spend the rest of your life with, Mom. The man that would be your husband. The man that you have stolen your heart.
Don't waste the time of the gods. Go around and do what you're doing. Ever. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Baby, don't go.
Hey.
Okay. Yes. Good work. Hey, Ken. Kneel down. Go down. Sit down.
Ayo.
Oh, is that how you are going to? Anyway, don't worry.
Hey. Thank you. You could be
a Tiana. Let's say I will have power.
Nne. Ọ ga-adịrị unu mma n'Eke, n'Orie, n'Afọ, na Nkwọ. This your marriage is blessed. The gods of our forefathers, we see that you have issues, children, boys and girls. And we have the things that you will use to train your children. It is well with you. Good.
Yeah, get up.
Michael! Michael!
What's it? Why are you shouting my name?
Michael, did you bring me to this cursed house to kill me? This boy. Michael, I've waited since day before yesterday now. Have mercy upon me now. I'm starving. You know I'm pregnant.
I'll come. Just give me 1 minute.
I got to tell me. Hey, you didn't even bring water. What is your problem? I don't know. Hunger. Water now. Oh. Hi, Michael. Where did you get this food from? I thought you said there is no food or food stuff in this house.
I hide some ingredients so I can always cook at night.
Michael! So you now hide food in this house and eat all by yourself when you know you have a pregnant woman in this house? Michael, you are wicked. You are wicked and heartless, you this man. Who forbid?
Precious, you know we can't continue living like this. I've been wanting to tell you something. I hope you can take it with good faith.
Michael, I've been wanting to tell you a secret too. And I hope you take it in good faith. My worst fear is unfolding before my very eyes. Richard, you got Precious pregnant? How?
Don't tell me you just believe what she told you.
What would you have me do? Same Precious that you had an affair with is here, claiming that she is pregnant with your child. And you ask me if I believe her or not. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know what to believe anymore.
Because I'm not responsible for that. And I'm going to send her out of this house this minute.
This night?
Of course this night. Oh, she never thought of that before coming to spoil the marriage. Huh?
In as much as you don't agree that you are responsible for our child, you will never forgive yourself. Maybe she just didn't want her biggest room for the night. Tomorrow morning, you should leave.
is the meaning of this nonsense? Hey, I'm talking to you. What is wrong with you?
Hey. What are you doing in my room? Huh? What are you doing in my room?
Point of correction. What am I doing here with our unborn child?
God.
Oh, you want to leave me in the other room when it's cold, Abby? Well, your son said he wants cuddle. So I'm here to get cuddle.
If you don't get out from this room now, you're going to do something that you live to regret. Get out.
So you want to send me out because of this thing? Because of this worthless thing that can't give you a child? Eh? I'm going to sleep in this room and nothing will happen. In fact, she will go to the guest room and that's where she will be sleeping.
You walked into my matrimonial bed and you're asking me to leave.
The same matrimonial bed you bring in your driver.
Leave this room now.
Come and sleep.
Get out of this room now. Are you going to leave? Will you go? Will you go? Will you go?
I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, get out.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get out.
Leave me alone. Rishi, please don't put her. Rishi, open the door. Open the door.
Not silly. Babe, please disregard whatever she must have said here. Okay? Go ahead and sleep. Animal. Hey, baby. Come on. Stop crying. Stop this.
She reminded me that I've not been able to bear children for my husband.
No, you're misunderstanding the whole thing. She said that you've not born children yet. Not that you can never bear children. Of course you bear children for me. Lots of children. Okay? Lots of them. So stop crying. You're even lucky that my mother is not that type of mother that is hell-bent on having grandchildren. Not that she doesn't want it anyway, but she's not that desperate. Okay? Come on, stop crying.
It's not supposed to make me feel better. How come Precious, when you had extramarital affair conceived before me, your wife, how is that even possible?
Because you've been so busy with my driver, Michael. You're so busy with him. Hey, come on. I was just joking, okay? I was just joking. Everybody shouldn't allow what Precious said get into you. You know she's still your maid.
I want her to leave this house. Just take her out of this house. Her presence is shocking. Shocking.
It's okay. She will leave. She will leave. Come on, stop crying. Stop crying now. Precious. Give her Precious. Your stay in this house has expired. You just have to leave this house this minute.
Leave to where? Leave to where? This is the house of my unborn child. So I stay.
I am not a father.
You are.
God forbid. Because I'm not the father of that thing you're carrying there.
Did I remind you the custom and tradition of our land that states any woman who gets pregnant without getting married to the man who got her pregnant will die. And the man who got her pregnant will die too. So, you have to marry me.
How do I prove it that it's my child?
You are the father of my child.
Then we'll go for DNA.
So that your fake doctors will give me fake results. I am smarter than that. Richard, open your eyes. Can't you see? I'm not just giving you a son, an heir, something any man would want, something your wife can't give to you.
You see, I loved you. I loved you so much, and I still do. Okay, I was just acting up so my wife wouldn't code what was going on. Yes. But as it stands now, I do not care about anything. All I care about now is my unborn child.
Exactly. I've been waiting for you to say that.
And this calls for celebration.
Yes, it does.
Let me get wine, so we'll celebrate.
No, better still you come join me here. Or you feed me. Feed your baby. Exactly.
Precious.
Now to be your wife.
Pray.
Baby, I know.
Okay. Come on, let me feed you.
You will not taste different now that you're feeding me.
Really?
Wow. You try. What do you think?
I am a
You don't know.
Why are you hanging me? I'm not going to Let me see hanging.
Richard, what are you doing? Eh? How will you easily swayed for something this trivial?
Are you calling Precious being pregnant for me a small thing? If it is that easy, why haven't you gotten pregnant? Huh? Why haven't you gotten pregnant all this while?
Richie, where is all the love you promised me? Where is all the love you promised me? All the good memories that we shared together? How can you forget so soon? Richie, come on. And then, you want to use this name to mock me, to rub shame on my face. How has the mountain fallen? The madam is not the maid? Why the maid is not the madam of this house? A piece of an advice. Go in there, get the maid's wear, wear it. If it suits you, maybe I can consider you working in my house as a maid.
Wow.
Thank you, baby.
You're such a wonderful person. good-hearted person. A big beauty in the heart. She's very considerate. She's considering you to stay. If it was you now, you just throw her out without mercy.
Richard. No, it's not my fault. How is it my fault? How is it my fault that I can't conceive? Am I God that gives children? Am I? Why are you mocking me? Why are you doing this to me because of her?
Sure.
Oh my It worked! It worked! Oh my God, it worked!
Oh my God. It's okay. Go and get her bag and my car key. Go. Stop fighting. Go and get my bag and her car key fast. God, stop now. Hey, for your mind now, you're now the madam of the house. For your mind, your head dancing. Now you know with me. Now you know. Yala.
I want to confess, please. I want to confess.
Come in here.
I want to confess. I want to confess all that I've done. I want to. Please, just give me a chance. Listen to me, please.
Adolphus, push this girl out of this compound.
Oh, madam, please. Listen what she has to say. Go on.
Michael is responsible for my pregnancy.
Michael?
I was forced to marry Michael. He has nothing. Even to feed is a problem.
Now, we're actually weekend.
So, he came up with the plan that I pin the pregnancy on Richard. Hey! Collect money from him and elope.
Oh my God.
So you're not confessing because the DNA test says that I'm not responsible.
No, I'm apologizing for all the wrongs that I've done. And I promise I will leave.
Alphonsus, push out of this place now.
Please, just listen to me, please.
Let her finish. Okay, go on.
I just need your forgiveness. And I will leave and never return. And I know the good God that gave me this child will give you yours. Come, please.
Amen.
You're welcome, Jezebel. Good night. Bye.
Come on, let's go.
Hey! Michael. That for him, Mugu.
Hello?
How did they even lose your card? How did they find out? I'm sure they might have deceived you with food because that's the only thing that can make your sense leave your body.
Enough, Michael.
Enough! You're saying too much and it's hurting me. It's killing me, Michael.
My word will kill you because you are good as that to me. How can you make us lose this golden opportunity of becoming rich? Later you want me to take care of that child in your stomach with which money? Eh? Which money?
Michael,
how can you leave me?
Michael, I'm begging you to give me a chance. Give me another chance and I promise I will live a good life. Michael, I promise I will live a good life. I promise you, please. All I'm asking for is your mercy and that of God.
God will never have mercy on you. You see, God, He will never have mercy on you because you have deprived that child in your stomach a good life. You are such a terrible mother and you will die. You will suffer to your last breath. Trust me, you will suffer to your last breath.
Michael,
useless and stupid whore. Come on, leave my clothes alone. Idiot. Stupid girl. Oh, my darling.
Michael, no. Michael, no.
How are you?
Michael, Michael, Michael,
go on, stupid girl.
Michael, I promise to do better. Hey! Michael, please, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God. Hey, what will I do? What will I do now, Lord? Hey! Hey, what will I do? I want you. Hey, Michael, I beg you in the name of God, don't do this to me. Oh. Hey! I beg you, Michael.
House girl where they give her madam sleepless night, yo. She gets their secret, yo. One by one, one step ahead of them. If they bust their brain, what thing they gonna do for you, Maggie?
Sweetheart.
What's going on? What's the excitement for?
My love, please, guess.
Yes, I can guess. What is it? What's going on?
Don't bother yourself. Remember I told you I've been feeling somehow lately, you know?
Yeah.
Then I went to see the doctor.
Okay.
He ran some tests. He checked typhoid, malaria, all of them was negative. But when he checked pregnancy, it was positive. I am 2 weeks pregnant. I feel like screaming. Finally, baby, finally.
God of the poor, where have you been for long?
Check it yourself, check.
Are you chilling somewhere?
Oh God.
Can you feel my pain? God of the universe, where have you been for long? I have waited, I have prayed, running out of time.
So I'm going to be a father. A real father.
Exactly.
Babe, thank you so much. I'm so... What? Why is your mood like that?
It's precious.
Precious.
I've been thinking about her a lot. She contributed, her prayers contributed to God answering our prayer. I don't know. I just can't stop thinking about her.
I believe she'll be fine. Whether she's fine, wherever she is.
What's a lie you tell yourself, darling? Come on. Remember everything she told us. We have to do something. We have to reach out to her. If not for her, for the child. Her newborn child.
Are you sure about this decision?
Exactly. Whatever we have done is not for Precious, for her only child. I will never forgive myself if anything happens to my child. I will never forgive myself. Never. Please.
It's okay. We'll look out for her. It's okay. Meanwhile, this calls for celebration.
You are the best!
I'm going to pop the most expensive champagne I have.
I am right here waiting.
Running out of time.
What kind of wife are you? Eh? Where have you been for the past 3 days?
Dare call me your wife? What does a husband do for me that you've done rather than to put that liability you call a child inside of my tummy?
Where is your pregnancy?
I flushed it.
You murdered our child?
Point of correction. My child! What have you done for me and the baby? I have been the one taking care of myself and that of that child. All you do is bring liabilities up and down.
You're very wicked and heartless.
Says the same man that hides food away from his wife. I did that child a favor not to see your unfortunate face. Don't you dare! Don't you dare lay your hands on me, else I will flush you the same way I flush our baby. Rubbish. She for no water.
This man is over.
Oh, my darling. Do you want to know? I have booked a tricycle that will take me back to my father's house. Don't you think it's about time I started living a baby girl lifestyle? Rubbish. Oh, man.
Precious, you are heartless. Precious, Ibura Madru, you are heartless and wicked.
Mama, I'm sorry.
How can you? I bought my own grandchild. But Precious, why?
I'm sorry, Mama. I just wanted to be free.
You are now free. Up here? Up here to go free. Even death is freedom. Up here?
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know. I swear I didn't know, Mama. Mama, I didn't know.
Hey.
What's going on?
You see it? You see this stupid and useless? Hey! She went and aborted her child without telling me or her husband. If you go near me, she came back with her pregnancy.
I wanted to be free. I was so free now. I was so free. I was so free. I didn't know what I was doing. I was scared of the transition. I didn't know what I was doing.
Precious. Actually, we came to give you a check of 5 million naira.
Hey!
So you can take care of your unborn child and your husband. But from the look of things, it's obvious that the child we came to see is dead.
Oh my God, what have I done?
Hey! And Sarafina is free now.
Hey!
Come on, let's go.
Hey! Don't go now, please.
Why do you go?
Sarafina is not free. Mama, I didn't know. I missed your love. Mama, I didn't know. You are told. Give my way. Peter, hey. Richard. Darling. Baby. My girl. My girl. Hey. Who is there? Who is there? Richard, I can see you. I can see you, Richard. I can see you, Richard.
House girl where they give Oga madam sleepless night, yo. She gets their secret, yo. One by one, one step ahead of them. If they bust their brain, what did they go do for you, oh, Maggie, oh, Maggie? Go. Monitoring spirit, me. Maggie be monitoring spirit, yo. Busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie na to love. Busybody, she be wala. Busybody, Maggie na to love. Busybody, aye. Maggie wahala. Kola moyo komita. CCTV no mistake. Whatever she cannot see, does not easy. What she cannot see with her eyes, does not easy. Go. Monitoring spirit, me. Maggie be monitoring spirit, yo. If you ask her whether she sees something, she go say no. I don't see anything, no, at all. But when you enter her data, now there you go know. She see everything, no, like CCTV camera. Maggie, busybody, she be wala.